Manila Larigu's not about to jump out of the grave, is it?
Hopefully there is not a wedding.
Well, there's not many visitors because the cars will be out the front.
Yeah. Certainly.
That'll do, no. It's dark in here, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
You
Where
probably
there was lights in it? Ain't they down there, so
I don't know, mate.
round the back.
I don't see them. There must be a light switch because they've got lights in it. I just don't see a light switch.
No.
I guarantee there must be one. They've got lights. Oh well, it's dark.
It's dark. I could use a torch.
You could actually put that on here. What date is it? What's today's date?
Is I don't know. Something like that.
Please mind the steep step down. Oh, I suppose it's quite a deep step actually, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
I mean, you could trip over that notice, I suppose. That's that chest that got started.
That's the one. It's a lovely old church, this.
It is, got a lot of character.
Yeah, it's very old.
Shane's got a steep step down.
Yeah, mate. Don't fall over there, Steve.
Well, that steep step down.
Yeah.
Oh. You not play with your organ? What's he going?
Just the ladies down so.
Oh yeah. Talking of organs.
Yeah. I know, isn't it? Old, isn't it?
Yeah.
Proper old. It's all the wood well.
Do sometimes get some visitors up here, but not very often. I suppose
No,
it's a bit
we
out of the way,
don't.
isn't it?
It's probably mostly us, Steve.
Yeah, we do come up here. It's been a while, it's been about a year. But as churches go, it's a nicer one.
It is. And it's local.
That one in East Church is quite good.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
That's got a lot of characters, that one.
Yeah.
That's where my daughter got married.
Oh, was it?
My son as well, yeah.
Yeah.
Stupid. Never catch me doing anything like that.
What, get married?
Yeah. My ambition in life is to be married for at least 60 years. Can't make me about 115 years married today, wouldn't it? So it sounds like quite a good ambition, really.
Yeah, mate.
I don't suppose that's going to happen anytime soon. Well, no one wants to marry me, I mean.
No one will put up with me.
No one would marry me for 60 years, would they?
That's it.
If they married me now, they'd get mostly 30, wouldn't they? I'd be 89 then if I lived. If I lived another 30 years, I'd be 89. So somebody only have to put up with me for about 25 years. Wouldn't they? Or I'll no longer got the ball with me. So they'll have gone.
Gone where? Where you going?
I shall go back to where I was before.
What, in
Before I was
heaven?
born.
Or hell?
Go back to where I was before I was born.
Where was you born?
Where was I born?
No. What was you doing before you was born?
The same as I'll be doing when I'm dead.
Oh. It's the coin.
Think about it.
Yeah, mate.
You didn't exist before, you won't exist after.
Yeah.
So make the most of it now because you might not have long.
Yeah.
Especially when
That's
you're
why I
on
always.
motorbikes.
That's why I always come to church.
Especially when you go out on your motorbikes, you might have long.
Why?
I've seen you ride.
Oh, drive safe, mate.
You do when you're out with me.
Yeah. What are you saying, I'm a fast rider?
No. When you're out with me, you say.
Come let's have a look outside, so.
It's when you're out with someone else.
What, myself?
Or Lee or something.
Yeah.
Well, you egg each other on, don't you?
Yeah, we race.
That's what I mean. Because he's got 636, he wants to go fast. Same as Frank and everyone else, isn't it?
That's it. All the preserves, isn't it?
When you're out
Rhubarb,
I'm a sensible rider, so you do the same as me.
Yeah.
I ride my own ride, I don't take chances and do
Mum
anything.
and chat that does, so.
Yeah, I don't do anything to try and keep up with it.
You drive like pussy. Pussy!
It's a good way to go. I'm not ready for that yet.
What way do you want to go?
In what way?
Round the church.
No way?
Come in.
Should do, yeah. It's amazing how these have actually weathered so much, isn't it? I
Yeah.
mean, I know some of these are very old, but I mean, they really do weather, don't they?
You've got the pirates one in here.
Yeah, around the back, yeah.
That'd be a good one.
All these people come from nothing, they've gone back to nothing.
Exactly, mate. That's an old one.
All have their own lives, loves and problems. It's not what you do before you're born or after you're dead, it's what you do while you're here.
That's it.
Nothing else matters.
Those are mosquitoes, isn't it?
Do you know what the frightening thing about it is?
Go on.
Some of the ages, some of the people there.
Oh, no, yeah.
That was only a kiddie.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks they're going to live to the 90, but
Yeah.
there ain't too many people made it to 90 in here, I can tell you that now.
It's peaceful, this one. See the size of these cones?
Sorry?
The cones on the tree. Size of some of them, mate.
Sorry?
Size of some of these.
What is it?
Whatever they call. On the trees.
Acorns.
Acorn.
Not mosquitoes, then, that.
It's the pirate one. What we call the pirates.
You know why pirates are called pirates?
Go on.
Because we are.
Because we are.
Some of you must have had some money to have them 3 volts.
Yeah, mate. I bet they go under the ground.
Probably. I mean, the thing is that, you know, to have something like that with the time foundations in there, you'd have had to pay good money
Definitely.
to have that ground. Because they only have certain amount of space for grave, don't they?
That's it.
I think they could have gone out into the field over there.
Do you reckon there's stairs in there?
I've no idea. What, in the church?
No, in there.
No.
Some of them do go underground though,
There
don't
might
they?
be a bit of a vault going down, but who knows? I've no idea how they work, to be honest.
No.
I mean, is this part of the coffin? Is the coffin inside there, or is it underneath?
I don't know, mate.
Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah,
mean,
but I
is
know
it-
what you're saying.
Is the coffin inside this bit here,
Yeah,
or is it underneath that and that's just laid over the top?
possibly.
Because I've no idea. I don't know how they were designed, so. It is what it is, using identity.
Ain't what it ain't.
Yeah. 1760, that's it.
Does it?
Have you seen that?
Yeah, it does.
Frightening, isn't it, when you think about it?
68 years old.
Yeah. Like I said, you do what you do, and then when you're gone, you know, it's like you've never been there.
Yeah.
You only leave a legacy amongst people that remember you or any good that you did, or
Exactly.
bad that you did. You change a few lives while you're here, then you've done something good,
Yeah.
hopefully, rather than bad. Or you get drunk a lot.
No. No one drinks.
That's the other one,
Hmm.
That's waste your life away getting drunk.
Much better. Nice one.
Yeah, well, it's a fairly newish one, isn't it?
Yeah.
God, we're all going to be in one of them one day, or going up the chimney, whichever.
Certainly.
Don't matter how much money you got, that's it, we'll end up the same way.
Mm.
What do you want to do with you when you're dead?
What's that?
What do you want to do with you when you're dead? Your remains.
Bury me somewhere.